Hi, and thank you for choosing me to help you connect your Husky 300-gallon air compressor. I understand the confusion because I was completely confused. And it's like, okay, I don't understand this. I need help. So here I am to help you because I'm going to simplify it and make it very easy for you to understand. Give me a minute. Okay, so here we are at our Husky 300-gallon air compressor with 120 PSI. The air compressor comes alone. Nothing else comes with it. It is the Husky air compressor. Now, I was a little confused because the instructions doesn't give me what I actually need for my mental state. But I'm going to help you understand this. So you have the cord to wrap around here. You have your 2 gauges here. This right here gives you the option of how much pressure you want to come out. The off and on switch, off is on 0. And it's a little valve right here. I don't know if you can see it right here, little valve. Now, it's very unfortunate that you have to purchase the stuff to go with it. And what I purchased was all the little items that go with it. You can get it at Home Depot or Lowe's. The hose, which has the 2 ends that you will be connecting. What you're connecting on them is this part, which looks like a scuba diver helmet. You will connect that to one end of the hose. Make sure you have this here clear tape on it. Wind it on here. Make sure you have it on tightly. On the other end, I have to use this because this is what will connect into the air compressor. I am going to turn it on, put it on nice and tightly. Tight. Okay. And it's there. And that part is done. So now what's going to happen is I'll unwind this. Then I'll show you how to connect this. It's very simple. It really is so simple. It's unbelievable. Connect this and how it works. Give me a minute. Okay, here's the other valve that I was speaking about over on the side. I'm going to close this valve. Make sure it's closed tightly because once the air starts pumping into the compressor, if this isn't closed, it'll come out. This is where I will connect the hose. This is the side that goes on the bike for the inner tube. And this is the side that goes into this compartment right here. You're going to hear the snap because that'll assure you that it is connected. The only thing I have to do is take it, push it in, and it's in. Very secured. To take it off, push that back, and it's off. Okay, so let's put it back on. Okay, so now that we have the hose connected, I want to show you the gauges will let you know if it's empty or if it needs air. I'm going to turn this counterclockwise, making sure that it is closed tightly. I already have it plugged up. Now I'm going to turn the power on, and you're going to hear that it is very loud. If you notice, I am inside, which is to inform you that it's safe to do it in the house. Here I go. Now, if you notice, it cut off by itself, and that's what it will do when it is full. At that point, you're able to use it. So now, when you're ready to use it, my gauge is letting me know that it is full. It's full. The other gauge lets me know, it will let me know how much pressure I am releasing. How do I release the pressure? Right here. You may hear the little. Okay, so that's how much pressure you want to out. So now it's letting me know that pressure is ready to be released. I don't have any items right here before me that I need to air out, but then you would take this part and put it on the hose to the inner tube. And once you press it on there, it's just going to automatically come out. Just that simple. Now, shutting it off. First thing I'm going to do to shut it off is turn the power off. I'm going to make sure this is turned counterclockwise to shut off the air that's being released. Then I'll unplug the cord from the wall. Or you can unplug the cord from the wall first, or what have you. Make sure the power is off. Now to release the air, because you do not leave the air in the air compressor. Before I do that, I'm going to take off the hose. Pull the silver thing back, and it automatically releases. Now, I'm going to release the air.